So at Accelerated Manufacturing Brokers, we want to give manufacturers peace of mind through the process. Number one, we tell them how much their company is worth before we ask for the listing. We're telling them how long it'll take to sell their business. We're telling them where the current market is. We're telling them who the logical type of buyer of their particular business is. And we're also giving them a comfort level that we manage every single part of this, from vetting buyers professionally and financially, to negotiating a contract, to helping them navigate a transition and providing advice on the best way to pass the baton of a multi-million-dollar company such that the buyer will have success and the jobs will be secure in that community.